How's it going, ladies and gents? It's Flack. I bring you more madness. Got the 3 foot 8 inch or 112 centimeter straight pipe, and now with a vuvuzela, some type of horn. I think is used in some type of sport in Italy. I think pretty big. It's as a size comparison. There's my hand. It's big. More madness. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be using that much longer. I'm probably annoying the neighbors. It actually doesn't seem to be damaging the horn. It's plastic, but it's seems to be of a durable plastic. It's not getting hot, but yeah, we've got a long piece of pipe for it to cool down, and that was in the shed, and it's like 50 degrees Fahrenheit out, so it's slightly cold, I guess. I'll run it one more time at wide. Yeah, dang, I can't talk today. Wide open throttle. No more of that. That's extremely annoying. I wonder what this would sound like on a car. Next video, maybe? Subscribe to know. I think it's down there now. I'm not sure. Can't remember. No, my luck, YouTube's going to change the layout again. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.